Hello everyone, my name is Strap. Today I'm going to discuss about how you can craft high converting ad copies for your PPC or search ads. Before going to the actual tutorial, let's understand how AI works. So the theory is pretty simple. You teach AI, and AI through its machine learning knows what you need and gives you an output. So how do you teach AI? You teach AI through data. The more data you give him, the more efficient data you give him, the better the output, the more better result it will give you. So for this example, I'm going to use Claude and as well as Copilot, and I'm also using Edge as a browser. The process will be the same for any text-based AI chatbots. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini or any other AI chatbot, and I'm gonna show you two ways how you can do that. The first one is the easiest one. The second one is the most efficient one and the most favorite one, and that's the one that I prefer. So for this video, we're gonna take this business as an example. This is Houston Faces. The owner is Dr. Sigil. Dr. Sigil is an independent facial plastic surgeon in Houston, Texas. So pretend that we're going to run a PPC campaign for this business. Okay, so what we're going to do, the basic criteria, we're going to make a campaign and we're going to decide an ad group. For this example, we're going to start with rhinoplasty. Suppose we have an ad group for rhinoplasty, and I have already researched some keywords for rhinoplasty. Our next step is to generate ad copies, the headlines and the descriptions. And how we can do that is first feed Claude with the necessary information. So first we're going to start with giving Claude about the information about the business. So what you can do is first manually write the data about the business in a sticky note or a notepad. Or what you can do is use Copilot. On the top right corner, you can see this Copilot icon. You just click on it, and this sidebar will open up, and you just have to type this prompt. And this prompt basically say that you are a business analyst, the spelling is wrong, and market researcher. Analyze the content in the provided web page in depth and give me a comprehensive structured report about the business. And you just click on it, and it will give you the business information. And as you can see that it has given me everything from starting from a basic overview of the business to specific services that they provide, and to specific aspects that they are focusing on, and the business goals and objectives and everything. Now, what all you have to do is just copy this and paste it here. What you can write is, here is my business information. And now Claude has the data about this business, but we specifically want ad copies for rhinoplasty. So now we have to add data. We need to provide data about rhinoplasty service. So I'll just go to the dedicated rhinoplasty page, and then again open Copilot and use the same prompt. So I'm just going to copy my prompt and paste it here. The only changes I'm going to make is service. So at the end, it says analyze the content in the provided web page in depth and give me a comprehensive structured report about rhinoplasty service. Oops. And we just click on it. It's going to take some time, and it will give you a detailed information about this service. So again, what we're going to do is just copy it and paste it. This is the information about rhinoplasty service for Houston Faces.
So
Claude now has the information about my business as well as a detailed information about my service. Now all I need to do is ask him to give me headlines and descriptions. And then you have to add this prompt. The prompt basically says that you're a Google Ads expert and copywriter specializing in high converting responsive search ads for medical services. Using the following business context, create responsive search ads, headlines and descriptions for keywords, and I'm gonna add my keywords. So I've already listed my researched keywords. I'm just gonna copy these and paste it. So additionally, you can add campaign information. Suppose campaign type PPC campaign objective leads at group and cost. You can also add key selling point about the business. So I'm not gonna add anything. I'm just gonna click enter and see the magic. Okay, so Claude has given me headlines and descriptions based on the information I've given and based on my based on the keywords that I have I gave him. So now you can definitely use headlines and descriptions from here. You can pick the ones that you think is the best. But the thing is, no matter how much information or data you give him, it's still gonna give you generic headlines and description. There is a more efficient way to do that, and I'm gonna show it to you in the second method. So for the method 2, we're gonna use this website, iSearchFrom. We can use this website to see Google's search result from a specific location. Since I'm in Bangladesh and the business is located in Houston, Texas, which is in United States. And we're gonna use this website to see the search result from Houston. Also this time, we're gonna use only Copilot so that we can make a comparison at the end of the video. We just put the country and the language and the city. City would be Houston. So this is the search bar here. What you're gonna do is select a keyword. So I'm gonna select a keyword from my keyword list. I'm gonna select this keyword and then put it here. And when I click on the search button, it will show me the search result in Houston city. As you can see, there are no ads here. For the ads to show up, we have to follow an additional step, which is go to the click on the URL and turn off the ad test. And when you turn off the ad test, you can see the ads will pop up. Your next step is to open Copilot and type this prompt. So this is the prompt. It says analyze the sponsored ads on this search results page. Provide a detailed breakdown of their copywriting characteristics and features, including specifics on headline style, description tone, keyword usage, call CTA, trust signals, emotional triggers, and any ad extensions used. Highlight patterns across the ads and note any unique differentiators. I'm basically asking Copilot to give me the characteristics and features of the sponsored ads so that I can use those characteristics and features for my ad copy generation. Okay, I will provide all the prompts in the description or in the comment section. My suggestion would be to use your own unique prompts. You can use these prompts just as a reference or as an inspiration. So I'm just going to click here and it will give you a hyper detailed description about the characteristics of the ads that is in the page. I forgot to mention one thing. You have to do it a few more times with 3 to 4 keywords. so that the Copilot has a better understanding of the ad copies that work in that specific business or service. Okay, so my next step is to use this prompt. Oh, before that, I'm gonna go to the service page. So since I'm focusing on a rhinoplasty, so I'm gonna go to the rhinoplasty page. But if you have a dedicated landing page, that would be far more better. The prompt basically says that you're a Google Ads copywriting expert, analyze the content of current page and provide keyword list and my provided keyword list for the rhinoplasty ad group. So this is the part where it's very important to add. It says use those characteristics, basically the characteristics that he has given me, and this page, the contents of this page, and my researched keywords, all these keywords, and give me 15 headlines and 5 descriptions. And I've also added to give me suggestions about ad extensions. So before that, I have not added added my researched keywords here. So I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna write researched keywords and then copy all those keywords, all these keywords, copy it and paste it here. So now what's gonna happen is since he has already analyzed the main features of the ads that are currently working right now, and he will use this as a reference and use my own researched keywords and my own landing page to generate high converting unique headlines and descriptions for me. So these are the headline and description results that he has given me, and I want you guys to try it out and see the difference between the result from method 1 and method 2. So to make a side-by-side comparison, these are the results from method 1 and these are the results from method 2. You can pause the video and see the difference between. I mean, there's a huge difference, and you can already see the result from method 2 is far more great and efficient because I'm using ads that are currently working in the market as a reference and taking the characteristics and features of those ads and using those characteristics and features to generate my own unique ad copies. So you're basically getting $1,000 market research for free. The top ads that you're analyzing, they've spent $1,000 testing what actually works, and you can basically take reference from what's already converted. Method 1 gives you what you think sounds good, but method 2 gives you what customers actually click on. So eventually it's all about understanding market patterns, and you'll start recognizing what makes ads work for different industries. So that's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.